Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to change TikTok profile picture. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Go to your profile. Tap on the Edit Profile option. Here you will see two options: Change Photo and Change Video. Tap on Change Photo. Now from the pop-up menu, choose any option you want. For this tutorial, I will choose Select from the gallery. Choose the photo you want to change on TikTok. And tap on Confirm. Here you can crop your picture and adjust it as you like. Once you're done with cropping and adjusting, tap on Save. And you will change your profile picture on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to change your TikTok profile picture. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.